Hello, it's Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and today I have for you a haul video of a bunch of Doodlebug products that I just received. I actually got them today. Now these are older things, so you've probably already seen a lot of these, but I just thought I'd share with you. And I also have a question. So I am wondering if people want to see more haul videos. So the video that I did of my Ollie's haul, obviously the big appeal is, you know, seeing what you could get for those $2 paper pads. But people, like, I don't know, that video for me, it like blew up, like thousands of people watched it. So I think that the main thing is, again, the sales. But let me know in the comments, do you like to see the haul videos? Do you want to see more haul videos, even if it's just stuff like this? I don't usually do them because I feel as though, you know, a lot of people are already sharing these things, and so I don't know that me sharing mine really is beneficial. But if you want to see more, let me know. So I'm doing this one just because I know these haven't been, people probably haven't been hauling them recently, so you might not have seen them, and I was really excited. So the first set I got from two different places. So I got this from scrapbook.com. The freebie with this order were these shiny papers. If you haven't seen them, I just got some recently. I love them. They are great. So when I saw that this was the freebie, I was like, okay, great, let's order. And I think they had a coupon as well, which they don't do super often. I usually try to wait and order from them if they have like really good freebies, because I feel like that's where the value comes in, because their prices are not like cheaper than anybody else's, and you don't get free shipping. So yeah, it's just if they have really good freebies. And again, this time they had stuff. I haven't seen these many other places. So I'm going to show you overall, and then we can dig in more detail. So this is last year's Halloween collection. It's called Hey Pumpkin. And I got like the 6x6 last year, and maybe a couple of paper sheets. But I didn't get much because last year was really when I started to get into Doodlebug. So these are the bits and pieces, which normally the bits and pieces are just like flowers and things. So I think this one's cool because it has like the cats and the ghosts mixed in. So I feel like these are more like the odds and ends. But so anyway, so these are the bits and pieces. But I didn't get them last year because a lot of what I was getting were like the older Doodlebug collections, because I was pretty new to Doodlebug. So, you know, they have a lot of like really bright collections. There was like, I think like Monster Mash or something like that, and like a carnival one. I don't know. There was a bunch of different ones that I could get big bundles and get a bunch of different, you know, ephemera and papers and all of that at once. So I got a couple of those big bundles last year, so I felt like that was plenty of Halloween paper. I didn't need to get more on top of that. But this collection definitely caught my eye. I love the colors. I just think that it's such a cool combination, and like the bright neon is very cool. So I wanted it, but like I said, I got a little bit, but I just really was like, okay, use all these other kits that you just got. But this year I was like, okay, I can get a new collection. And I started looking around, and most places don't seem to have this anymore. So I think it's probably not going to be continued. And so I was like, oh shoot, I should snatch this up because they look really pretty. So I really only found like a few other, you know, online stores. I found like one or two pieces, but it was really only scrapbook.com where I found, you know, a lot of these different, you know, components. And so I was like, okay, let me get them before you can't get them anymore. So that's another reason why I decided to order them, because I just felt like if I don't get them soon, it's like that scarcity mindset, right? Like if I don't get it now, I don't know if I ever will. So I got most of the collection. So you see here I got the odds and ends, bits and pieces, and chit chats, which I, you know, was just showing. These are the 3 different types, right, of ephemera that they sell. I don't usually get the sprinkles because I feel like they're kind of expensive. They're usually like $5 or $6 for a little pack. But these colors, I was just like, these are so vibrant. I wanted to make sure that what I had matched. I felt like I have, you know, pinks and things, but I didn't know quite, you know, if I would have something to match the neon, and they're just so cute. It's nice to have that exact match. And then I got the stickers. So I got the icons and I got the puffy icons. I think there's mini icons also. I might have gotten those already. That's probably why I didn't get those. So I think I already had the 6x6 and maybe the mini icons. So then I got the collection. So I got the 12x12 and a few extra sheets of stuff that I thought I might want duplicates of. So this one I just thought was really cool and very pretty. And I also love the striping on the back. So I got an extra one of these. I got 2 extras of the cut-aparts because these are just, you know, they're so fun and you can use them for so many things. You can make cards, you can use them as ephemera, you can make little like journaling cards. So I got those. And then I got 1 extra of the borders. And then, again, I like both sides. And I feel like these borders are just, you know, you can do so much with them. So you can cut them, add them to projects. I just recently, for a Halloween swap with a different collection, I cut one of these and made like a little mini rosette, which I thought was fun. Here, I actually have it nearby. So it was like a set of stars, and I turned it into a little mini rosette, and I thought it was so cute. So I got an extra sheet of that. And then an extra sheet of the tags for, you know, a lot of the same reasons. They can be used for a lot of different things. So those are the extra papers that I got. I got the 12x12, and then I did get the solids and the, what do they call them? Mini, like the petite prints. That's what they call them. So I got the petite prints and I got the solids, again partially because I wasn't sure, you know, how neon this would be and if I would have stuff to match. And these are kind of pricey for what they are. I feel like they're like $12, $15. I think these are like $15 usually for 12 pieces of cardstock. So it's like over $1 each piece, which to me, I can get cardstock usually a lot cheaper than that, you know, if I get sales. But having the color matching is nice. And then especially these petite prints, I feel like these kind of stretch your collection. So this is, this summer, I got this for a different kit for the first time. And I don't know if the cardstock itself is totally worth it. The petite prints, I think, are. I think it just depends on what you have in your stash and how much time you want to spend color matching, right? So if it's worth it to have everything just perfectly matched, which I'm not gonna lie, has been very convenient for the set that I was working with, then great. But if you feel like you can take some time and just color match from your own stash, that is probably a much better discount. So that is the Hey Pumpkin collection that I got from scrapbook.com. Again, at the end, I can go through these things in more detail, or maybe make a separate video to show that. And then, oh, and I also got the sprinkles, or the shakers. Again, same thing. I was like, their shakers are a little expensive. They're not too bad. They're like $6 something for this tube, and I get most of my stuff from like Ali or Temu. And so it's usually like $1 or $2, but now things are pricier and you usually get like a small bit. But I just wanted to see, I didn't know again if I'd have like any neon shaker stuff. And these are so adorable. The little ghosties, the stars, the pumpkins. Is there anything else? The moons. So yeah, I thought these were very cute. So we'll see. I mean, it is a good amount that you get, and again, it is color matched. But Doodlebug is not cheap, which is why I love them. They're probably like my favorite. And then I got these ones, which are just like the candy shapes. They're probably like my favorite I don't know, collection or brand, because I just love the colors and I love things that are cute and bright, and you know, that's kind of their thing. But they're also so expensive. Like they aren't, you know, I can go to Echo Park and get a whole collection kit for when they're on sale for like $7, and then get, you know, ephemera packs for $1.50, $2 if you go to their sales, which they have all the time, right? As opposed to like $8 for an ephemera pack and $20 for a collection kit. So, sorry, putting that set to the side. So Doodlebug definitely feels like a splurge, but it's so stinking cute. It's probably worth it. So I love everything I make with these. These are just they're so fun. So then this is actually from a little mixed up here. This is from officesupply.com, which is a really like random off the wall place. I don't even know how I found it. I've ordered from there once before, I think. It must have just come up in a search, right? Like you go online and you search, you know, Doodlebug hello again, and it pops up different stores, and that's usually how I found other places that sell Doodlebug besides like a cherry on top or scrapbook.com, which is usually where I would go. And so officesupply.com, it's a very random shop. It takes a little bit longer for shipping, although probably not that long. I think I got this within like a week. I don't know much about them, but I got the stuff I've ordered both times, and their prices are so much better. So, for example, these, I would say it's a good like 30% cheaper. So the collection kit, for example, so this is a much older kit, hello again. But again, it was, I don't think they're going to have it much longer. It's pretty cute, and I had an extra coupon on top of the discounted price they already have. I had a 15% off coupon, and if you spend $45, they give you free shipping. So all that makes it way cheaper than like scrapbook.com. So this I think was $12 or $13, which they're 12 by 12s are pretty much across the board like $20, almost everywhere you go to buy them. So that's a huge discount, right? That's like $7 off. I think it was like $12.99 probably, so like $13. That's $7 off. Like that's a huge drop, and that's before the 15%. So check them out. I'm almost inclined to want to like hide them because I don't know if I don't know if they have a lot of stock of stuff, but their selection isn't huge. They had this, they have some of the more recent ones. So they did have butterfly kisses and the bees and the berry ones. The bees and the berries were not this cheap. So I'm guessing that as things get older is when they drop the prices, or they're just upping their prices for newer stuff. And I don't know if it'll stay that high or not. I haven't been shopping with them long enough to know. But the butterfly collection, which is fairly new, that was these prices. It was like $13 for the 12 by 12 pack. These I think were like $10 for the petite prints. But the butterfly kisses, I couldn't use the coupon. So and then the bees and the berries were still cheaper than like scrapbook.com. They were like a cup, but it was like maybe like 17 or 18 for the collection kit instead of 20. So it wasn't nearly as discounted, and then also it wouldn't take the coupon. So I don't know. I'm thinking maybe after a certain amount of time they drop the price, and then maybe after another amount of time they'll take coupons on it. I'm not sure. Or, you know, maybe they're just doing that for old stuff and they're not going to do it anymore. Who knows? But this is what I got from them. So I got pretty much what they had of the hello again. So I got again, they had the chit chats, the odds and ends, and the bits and pieces. And then I got the puffy icons. In the past, I've not purchased kind of like the papers. I haven't purchased the puffy stickers or, like I said, the shape sprinkles because they tend to be so much more expensive, but watching people design things with Doodlebug, the puffy stickers just, I don't know, the puffy stickers, the shape sprinkles, they just make things so cute. So yeah. Anyway, that is what I got. And then I also found these, which I just thought would be really fun. It's like something in the package, whatever. These again were like, instead of $6, they were like $3 or $4. But they're just the teeniest little black enamel dots to make little eyeballs. I've never seen them before. I thought these were so fun. So I'm gonna play with these. So that is my haul. If you want to see more hauls, please let me know. Is it just you want to see bargains? You want to see stuff that's rare? You like to just see hauls in general? Because again, I don't know why people loved the Ollies. I think it's the bargains, but maybe you all want to see more stuff. So that is the end of like the overview. I will show you in more detail these different collections. I think I'm going to do that in a separate video because I don't want this to be so long and overwhelming. So I will put separate videos where I go through each of these sets if you want to see them in more detail. Otherwise, definitely check out officesupply.com. You know, the other collections, scrapbook.com. Also, I think it was, oh goodness, I'll have to look up her name. It was Jen, but I'm pretty sure, but I don't remember her like username. But I happened to run into a live for one of the design team members for Doodlebug. And I was like, okay, help me understand why some of these collections, like this, is super old. Hello again. I think does it have a year on it? Oh, this is it's 2023, so it's like 2 years old, but still, this is 2 years old, and many places still have it, at least parts of it, versus, the Hello Pumpkin, which is just from last year, 2024, and honestly, like I said, almost no one had it. Scrapbook.com was really the only place that I saw that had multiple components of it. And so what she told me, which was helpful advice for me, was that the seasonal stuff they do a run of it, and then when it's gone, it's gone. So stuff that they're going to release a new collection, so like they do a new Halloween collection most years, or a new Christmas collection, those, it's when it's gone, it's gone. So that's probably why the Hey Pumpkin is almost gone, which again was weird to me because I can still find like some of the really old stuff. So I wasn't sure like what was the deal. So like this one, the little rosette I showed you, this is from there. I think it's Sweet and Spooky, which is what I've been playing with, and that's definitely older than this one. So yeah, I don't totally understand still, but seasonal, she said, when a new one comes, they stop making the old one. Some of the other stuff, if there's nothing new to replace it, they just keep making it. So she did say she thought that the bees and the berries you might want to grab, which I was hoping to wait for those because I just got all this stuff. But she said those, she's not sure if they're going to rerun them. She said Butterfly Kisses is going to be around for a while. So I don't know. I was curious. Maybe that helps you if you're curious about, what you should grab and what you should wait on. But anyway, thought I'd share that little tidbit. I will go into more detail for each of these, but thank you for looking at my overall haul, and I will see you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.